I know deep up my feelings for you. Watch.
My good people, now welcome back to Reality Latest Gist. Welcome back to your number one channel for latest news on politics and many other cocoa wey dey sup for inside this our green country, so maybe Nigeria. Now as we normally do, we don't come back with breaking news, we don't come back with updates, we don't come back with fresh reports we go like share with the general public. And the cocoa now be say the Independent National Electoral Commission wey be Inec, dem now don fix Saturday, the 16th day of August for this year 2025 for the conduct of by-elections in 16 constituencies across 12 states of the federation, and for inside 12 states, Edo State is very much included. Professor Mahmood Yakubu, wey be the chairman of INEC, him now dey make this announcement during a meeting with leaders of political parties at the commission, their headquarters inside Abuja. And during this meeting, my good people, him now will be Professor Mahmood Yakubu, INEC chairman, he now come dey let men dey know say the vacancies were declared following the resignation, following the ROIP or nullification of elections of previous occupants of the affected seats. And now INEC don arrange say the Edo State Central Senatorial District and the Ovia Southwest, Ovia Southeast Federal constituencies. Now two constituencies wey dem list for the by-elections. And these elections, my good people, they are very much expected to restore full legislative representation in those areas. Oga Mahmood Yakubu, wey be INEC chairman, now say come dey let men dey know say the elections go cover 2 senatorial districts plus 5 federal constituencies and 9 state assembly seats across the nation Nigeria. Although 2 additional constituencies have been declared vacant, INEC now dey yarn say elections will not hold there for now. And these 2 constituencies where election no go hold na Kana 2 for inside Rivers State, where state of emergency is declared by our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, while the second one na Talata Mafara South for inside Zamfara State, which is currently the subject of legal proceedings. Now still for inside the meeting, Oga Mahmood Yakubu, wey be the chairman of INEC, in across the yarn dey give men say the by-elections will involve 3,553,659 registered voters spread across 32 local government areas, plus 356 registration areas or wards and 6,987 polling units nationwide. And a total of 30,451 officials will be deployed by the commission, which is the Independent National Electoral Commission. And them go deploy their officials to conduct the elections with adequate preparations for logistic and security to ensure credible polls, to ensure free and fair election. And now, sake of these developments, political parties are very much expected to conduct their primaries between Wednesday, the 17th day of July, and Sunday, will be the 21st day of July 2025. And now the submission of nomination forms by candidates will be done electronically via the Independent National Electoral Commission, their portal, between the 22nd day of July and the 26th day of July for this year too, maybe 2025. Campaigns are expected to begin on the 2nd day of August, and the campaign will end at midnight on the 14th day of August, and that na 2 days before the election gone. Oga Mahmood Yakubu can also confirm am say 2 rerun elections for Enugu South, that is Enugu South 1 for Enugu State, and Garrett and Yama for Kano State will be conducted on the same day. Now these polls were previously disrupted by violence, and men now don reschedule the date in compliance with court orders. The chairman of the Independent National Electoral Commission, Professor Mahmood Yakubu, he no gba break for there at all. He can still proceed further. They announced the resumption of the nationwide continuous voters registration exercise. He say online pre-registration will start on Monday, the 18th day of August, while in-person physical registration for INEC state offices and all 774 local government offices will start on Monday, maybe the 25th day of August, still for this year 2025. I can dey explain say the voter registration exercise go allow new voters as well as those men now wey dey seek transfers or replacement of lost or damaged permanent voters card, and even collection of unclaimed cards to participate. Now, ahead of the Anambra State governorship election wey men don schedule, women don arrange say go happen on the 8th day of November 2025. Inec now will be the Independent National Electoral Commission. Dem now go conduct a special voter registration exercise for all the 326 wards of the state from the 8th day of July to the 17th day of July. Registration go take place daily from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. Even for weekend, no African man time at all. And after every, the commission now will be Inec con dey urge eligible voters for inside Anambra State make dem take advantage of the window. Oga Mahmood Yakubu now dey remind stakeholders say voter registration and the compilation of the voters register must be completed not later than 90 days before the election in accordance with the Electoral Act, and the final list of 16 governorship candidates and their running mates for the Anambra State election have already been published. Now, after Professor Mahmood Yakubu, wey be the chairman of Inec, don yarn all these levels finish, the national chairman of the Inter-Party Advisory Council, wey be Dr. Yusuf Dantal, con dey urge political parties make dem ensure internal democracy during their primaries and make dem avoid imposition of candidates, and then con dey express concern over the growing trend of low voter turnout across the nation as many country people now no dey gree come outside to come vote. According to Dr. Yusuf, the reason for that na sake of say the public now no con dey trust in the electoral system, and also the public dey fear violence and they are very much disappointed with the politicians men wey dey fail to deliver on campaign promises. This na few of the many reasons why country people no dey gree come outside to come vote. But after every he na con dey call on the Independent National Electoral Commission wey be Inec say make dem continue to dey leverage technology and make dem also include artificial intelligence tools to enhance transparency plus planning and risk management and voter engagement, because last robust digital systems na go strengthen election credibility and e go also prevent glitches wey dey undermine public confidence. Now this my good people, na the report, na the informate I wan share give the general public. Now anyhow the matter be you for body, or if you be say get contributions about this informate, so no let anybody or anything stop or intimidate you. Feel free make you put that your remark, that your contribution, that your comment inside our comment section. Once again, now we be reality latest gist. Now we dey like give una latest news on politics and many other koko wey dey sup for inside this our green country, so we be Nigeria. And now if you be say you like this report, if you be say you like this update and you go like to dey receive more, then sharply make you subscribe to this channel and don't forget to put on the notification bell. The reason why they very much important be say as we dey bring more information dey come your side, sake of say you don put on your notification bell, na you go first receive the updates and you go even get am sharp.